No, we're fine. We're fine.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay, well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at the runway, you'll see our most common training aircraft, and it's also used by our display team, the Red Arrows, with its max speed of 360 knots, currently being flown by Senior Commander Will. It's the Hawk T1. Yeah, okay. Now just come back around and land.
Alright, everybody can unmute. We'll get ready for the next aircraft.
What is the next aircraft anyway? Okay, that's you. Yeah, that's you. That's you.
Yeah,
I'm getting so many
I'll
good
be
shots
taking off your
with
side, maybe
the
we'll
GFP cam. Like
Well, I'll send you the photos that I got of you.
I'm doing up close recordings of the planes.
Well, I'm sending the photos that I got.
Right, I will be taking off from here because I'm not going to fly all the way from Greater with this.
Why can't you fly from here and just like go around sort of things?
Yeah, but that's just.
Yeah, but it
takes
doesn't look good.
True.
And that. Right. Yeah, Barnes, you're going to be reading this.
Yep.
That's the Black Hawk, isn't it? Yeah.
Right, I'm coming in.
Okay.
Wait, Will hasn't landed yet. Let me let him land.
Yeah, well, if you just land.
It doesn't matter what runway.
Anywhere the winds fly.
Also, please don't unmute until. Please don't unmute until the helicopter has landed because the whole point is to show off the mobility. I'm not going to say too much, but just yeah.
Okay, and everyone, for everyone who's filming this one, you can keep filming until he's actually landed because it's not for this one. It's not just flying over the runway. It's a complete fly past of the over the runway and then background. So when you're filming, just film for the whole thing till he's landed.
Is the new airplane coming in?
Yeah, in a minute. Yeah, once Will's off the runway.
Right. Yeah.
Will, get off the runway.
I'm just gonna get in place right now.
Also, now this guy's decided to turn up. Fun.
I'm gonna share my screen with you guys so you can see what I'm doing.
Okay.
Not sure if I should.
If you're watching my screen, you'll see what I'm doing. What I mean about good shots.
Is the runway clear?
1 second. Are you clear? Yeah. Actually, no. Sorry. Will, come on, hurry up, please. Is Shadow Master in the VC? He's not. Okay, I'll just forget about him then.
Right.
In chat, could someone tell Shadow Master to get in the Chinook or go to the ATC tower?
I'm trying to tell him to get in the Chinook.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, coming in.
Okay. If everyone could mute now.
Quickly, because I'm kind of.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone mute now, please.
Oh, mute.
Okay. We're all good.
Mute.
This one's short, so I'll just.
You can start.
Okay. Coming in from your right, fairly loud aircraft with a max speed of about 120 knots, and it's great mobility. Flown by Senior Commander Spaghetti, it's the UH-60 Black Hawk. that's not the time. This is not the time for the Chinook, please. It's really not the time, especially when there's another helicopter flying.
Alright, you can all unmute. If you want to watch a helicopter battle, then you can just watch
Yeah,
it.
if you
We're
want to
all
watch him
mute
land,
now.
then do that. If not, I'm gonna go grab the next one. Yeah, if you
Yeah,
all
you can also-
just mind your own business, don't look at what I'm doing, because otherwise it just kind of ruins the whole way it works.
Also,
So if you guys just ignore what I'm doing. Yeah, please stop with the Chinook. It's just wait.
It's almost hitting. The propeller's almost hitting me as well. It's quite close.
The what?
The front propeller of the Chinook's almost hitting my body.
I'm just trying to move people so they can get up and get the good view.
Also, if you were looking at my screen, you would have seen the good shots I've been doing.
Can someone lift me up?
I gotcha. Oh, I can't do it. Never mind.
Wow.
I don't have the game pass for it, so
The Game Pass what? The Chinook?
yeah. I've only got the A380, the A380, the tower, and the outfit changer.
Okay. Right, Shadow should be joining the VC shortly.
Right, I'm getting ready for my shot.
When Commander Barnes, tell me when you're
Yeah,
ready.
sure.
Right, I'm gonna get ready at the end of the runway to get my shots.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
just use your back hand for that.
Shadow Master's here. You don't need to talk. It doesn't matter. Just need to hear what's going on.
Yeah. Just gonna say this now, Shadow, if you're listening. We're doing an air show, as you know, hopefully. We're currently on our fleet display where we're showing all our aircraft. We're currently like middle way, halfway there, and then we're gonna have a final speech from me and Wing Commander Barnes celebrating the opening of the ptfs Royal Air Force. Also, Barnes, you can come in now.
Yeah, hang on 1 second.
Also, if anyone wants to get which good like how like close ups, just look on my screen because I got this camera on.
I'm doing the same thing as you.
Because I'm doing close ups
Yeah.
of the planes right now.
Just saying, because you can't actually see the dev cam or free cam, just use your free cam. It's the best of things.
Spaghetti, are you in DevCam right now? Just go
Yes.
out and check chat quickly.
Okay. Sure. Anyway, you can go now.
Okay, sure. Yeah, and remember again, this one's a fair bit longer, so start now.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, when you're ready,
I'm ready.
I'll come in.
Buddy, please mute. Next aircraft is
Okay,
on short.
everyone mute, please.
Yeah, mute. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
If you look towards the runway, on your right, you will see our best helicopter, being able to carry small vehicles, personnel, and even cargo. You might also be able to hear it in the distance because of its amazing sound. That's why it's nicknamed the Wacka Wacka. With a top speed of 100 knots, currently being flown by Wing Commander Barnes, it's the Chinook. Also, the Chinook will be doing the same flight path as the Black Hawk, so if you want to watch it land, you can. Alright, the audience may unmute. The next aircraft is on its way.
Oh my god, I'm getting so good shots right now. If any of you literally, hold on, I'm gonna see if my video is uploaded.
I don't think you'd have been getting the same shots as I am.
I've been doing up close ones.
I've been doing with GUI turned off.
Oh yeah. Owen, by the way, if you want to get a shot of this landing, then you can, because I think this Chinook landing just looks really cool. I don't know why.
Mario,
What?
I'm
First.
right. Someone, if you guys want to see, you literally just look at on the Discord. Look at my share screen. You can see what I mean by it.
Okay.
I'm at on the helipad.
Right. I would like to play a little game while you guys are waiting. I'm currently playing, but it's fine. Realism is key,
Oh my
and this
god,
is super realistic.
that is good.
So our game is gonna be, can you guess what aircraft is next? And
A
I'm just
plane.
gonna say, if you think properly of what
Amazing.
aircraft are in the game that are also in the Royal
I think
Air
I've got a
Force,
feeling I know
probably
which
the
one the
aircraft
next
that
one
we
is.
Yes, that's why I want. It's an okay game. So far we've had a Typhoon, F-22, C-130, Hawk T-1, Black Hawk, and Chinook. So if you think of all the aircraft that are in the Royal Air Force but also in the game, try to figure out what aircraft is next.
F-18.
Right, next video's up.
Did you just say
Have a look in
F-18?
the Discord.
Yeah.
Did you just say F-18? F-18 is not
No.
in F-18 is not in the
Oh
RAF.
my gosh.
I don't
Say
know, I just felt like
first.
saying that.
I know
Maybe
it's
the
not.
Avro Vulcan.
Okay, we've got the Avro Vulcan next. Any other guesses?
Typhoon. Oh no, Typhoon is the first one.
It's either that or we go with something like the Lightning.
Do they even have lightnings in this
Okay.
game?
Yes. I think they do. Now you're saying that, I'm going to have to check.
Yeah, I need you to check, please.
Because now it's really pissing me off that I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna come now. So, if Barnes, if you want to get ready.
Yep.
Right, I'm getting.
Also, the audience can.
Do we have to mute our mics for this?
All right, I
Yes.
asked that the audience mute
They do have the Lightning.
for the second last.
Okay.
Wait, what? Yeah, just mute.
Okay, yeah, everybody mute now. That'd be cool. Okay. Just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm on final. So you can not start yet.
Yeah, I'll start
Okay,
in a second.
start.
Yeah, okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of our faster jets in service since 1958, with over 5,000 of them produced, some being over 60 years old, and its max speed of a staggering 730 knots. Currently being flown by Senior Commander Spaghetti, it's the F-4 Phantom.
All right, audience can unmute now.
Somebody was watching that stream because I got the brilliant shot of the break.
I'm
Is that really
doing
good?
so good right now on like these shots. I'm literally.
The break. Everyone's
Yeah,
just doing
he
that
broke
streams
off
right
to the
now.
left.
Literally everyone's doing streams right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Lightning
God.
disappeared.
Which one do I watch, man?
If you watch mine, you'll get good close-ups of the planes and the thing.
Yeah, general thing for what I'm doing.
So
Once
I'm
you
getting
get
like right up to the
Red
runway.
one, once you get to the end of the runway, can you just stop so I can get a good pic? Fast as possible.
I'm getting right up
yes.
to the runway, just following them like behind.
What should I like stop?
Yeah, stop here,
or
stop
just
here.
turn around? Okay.
I'm just trying to get a good photo.
Wait, let me get lined up.
There you go. Alright, one more. Perfect, thank you.
Yeah. Barnes, you're getting the next aircraft,
Yep.
right? Can't see where you are.
This is literally the third video I've recorded of this air show.
I could not hear you. Can you say that again?
This is the third video I've recorded of the air show.
Oh,
It's worth it though. I think y'all two are doing a really good job.
okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, everyone, again, the next aircraft is a pretty special aircraft to the RAF, so you're going to want to see this one as well. And can I just say to the couple of people that are still here, thank you for staying.
I was literally the first one to even be on the server.
Look at your DMs, Barnes. Not DMs, chat.
Chat.
Right, thanks.
I don't even see him. I'm just lined up on the runway ready.
He's still on Greater Rockford, so you got a while.
Yeah.
No, this one should get over there pretty quick. Shouldn't take too long.
Should take like 2 minutes minimum, maximum.
If anyone wants to watch my share screen, you can, because I'm just getting close-up shots of the planes.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know who's still watched. I just did the top one.
Yeah, and the top one was like near the water.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna wait.
So I'm right at the end of the runway where you guys approach. So when the plane is like going past me, I'm just following it. If it's going slow, I'll do like a 360 around. So
Yeah, I see. I'm watching it right now, so.
you'll see what I mean if you watch me and he's there. You know what I say to this? When Ella laid there.
By the way, Spiffy, not sure if you're AFK or not, but
Oh, man.
yeah, you can talk. I don't know. I haven't heard you talk in quite a while.
What do you want me to say?
I don't know. I just talk because somebody left, and now I just feel sad.
That just feels depressing, lonely, and sad. Yeah, I understand. That's been my life for the past 4 years.
Sounds like me, to be honest.
Yeah,
That's
like me.
sad.
general plan of the next 4 years is
Just be sad. Sad, lonely, and whatever else you said. I don't know what you said.
I'm checking.
Okay, I'm approaching now.
Yeah, I'm
You're
in
still
place.
like
I'm in
five
place. I'm in
five
place.
nautical miles
Watch
out.
my screen.
I know. I'll get here quickly though. Don't worry.
Yeah, if anyone wants my screen,
Afterburner?
I'm in
Question
place,
mark?
ready for the past
Afterburner?
2 minutes.
Question mark? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark?
Smiley face. Oh.
Hashtag afterburner equals none.
Oh. Well, it's not the Avro Vulcan. It's not the Lightning. It's not the
Hashtag aircraft doesn't have afterburner.
Oh.
Cessna 172.
Why the hell would I have an Cessna 172? This is RAF, man.
Yeah,
wait,
trainer aircraft.
wait, let me guess. Isn't it that old bomber what you had to be in the group for?
Nope.
Or the B-29?
Nope.
Oh, I've already seen it.
Well, alright, why do I feel like it's the B-51?
Smithy's seen it. Smithy's seen it already. He's like, Jesus Christ.
You're in the Q4. Are you in the Q400?
May God save the Queen.
God save the Queen, exactly.
Are you in the Q400?
Hang on. Can you guys
Are you
are
literally
you guys able to hear this?
You're probably in the
No.
Q4. I bet you're in the
No.
Q400 because I just saw it says jet, but jet.
Smithy, private chat me in game and tell me what you're trying to do. I might be able to sort it out because I think I know what you're trying to do. Private chat me in game. Tell me what you're doing.
Why do
Because I might be able to do it.
I've got a better idea.
Oh God. Okay.
Wait, so you're not. So you're not.
Smithy, can I just say, can you keep it until after I've landed?
Oh, I see
Just
what
saying.
it is. It's the Jet 2 airplane, or what is it? The A320.
This is not an A320. Jesus Christ.
I'm not even
Right.
looking at. All I see.
Just checking you can hear, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it.
Right, close up is happening. If you all want to look at my screen, by the way, I'm doing like proper close-ups.
Guessing you can't hear that.
No.
Oh, of course it does this to me. I was going to play Rule Britannia as well. Oops. Change windows. Roblox. Go.
Is anyone even looking at my screen right now? Just I don't know.
Ah, he's past me. He's miles past me.
I've literally followed him so well. He's literally gone the perfect speed for me to go up the sun, or go like close to him.
That sun in the background, though. Oh, doesn't really work because you kind of glow orange when you're in the sun.
Turns out disconnected. Didn't know why.
And now we are one.
Okay, guys, forget the fact that I just flew past because Spaghetti disconnected, so he couldn't do the introduction. So we're just gonna redo that one, all right?
Alright.
Here we have the Royal Air Force's new British Voyager.
Yeah.
This is
I mean,
a fuel cargo.
this livery.
You forgot to do something.
Yeah, I know because you didn't do the introduction. So let's just forget that I did that flyby. Let's do it again.
Spaghetti, if you want a good view, just watch my screen.
Okay, go on. Start.
Right, I'm catching up to you.
Spaghetti, go.
Wait, what? Where are you?
Go.
Let's go.
Oh,
Go.
ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your right. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one.
Left.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at the runway, you will see our biggest aircraft in our fleet being flown by Wing Commander Barnes, used to transport VIPs or important cargo. with a top speed of 340 knots. It's the Voyager KC2.
Oh my god, I'm following it right now. If any of you looking on my screen.
Yeah.
He's just going too fast, so I can't like keep up with him.
Just gotta kind of like zoom into the shot a bit more.
Yeah. I'm doing it.
For idiot's sake, I've had them glowing rings in the background from Rockford.
Oh.
Wow. I hate those rings. They're so
Don't tell
annoying.
me
They're
no
so
one saw
ugly.
that. Or saw.
By the way, Barnes, I know the next aircraft, like, you want to do, but...
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Could I do
No,
it?
I'm doing it.
I'm doing
No, I'm
it.
doing it.
But you did this, actually. Wait, wasn't I supposed to do You're about to witness a brawl.
We're gonna see a
I'm
fight.
gonna do it.
Fight.
I've got an
I'm
idea.
gonna do it.
I've got an idea.
I've already reset.
I've got an idea.
Now we have to land.
Wait, Spaghetti, let's do a formation.
I'm doing
Best
spin the
Okay,
wheel.
fine. Well, he's gonna,
Best
I'm doing
idea
spin
I've
the
ever
wheel.
had. Formation.
he's gonna announce it.
May I join the formation?
No.
Oh,
Otherwise, it's just going to get too crazy. Even two of them is more than we need.
Look, I'm
But
doing spin
who's
the
gonna
wheel.
say it? Will?
Who's going to say it? I'll say it. I'll
Gonna
just.
say it.
Oh
then.
yeah, I'll just do it. Oh god.
Well, are we gonna do first fight, then you say it, or you do it? I say it, or right?
just like you ought to
So
know,
what
I've
we
got
do-
the UK national anthem playing in the background.
Wait, can I just say? Actually, no, forget that. I'll do it in a minute.
Oh, that's that.
I'll do it in a minute.
I know.
Well, I'm really a greater.
Okay.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'll just go to greater.
back.
Hang on, I need to private chat. Will. Actually, yeah, Will can do the commentary for this one. Actually.
But he doesn't have voice chat. You can't talk, right?
He could just put.
Well-
He can just put it in chat. It'll be fine.
If you don't
Everyone
like
look at chat for this commentary because it's going to be in chat because me and Spaghetti are going to be flying because we're just trying to keep it realistic.
If you want, if you want, I can do it if you want because I do it a couple of times.
Yeah, you can do it. Actually, I'll send you the thing.
Right,
I'll tell you when to start saying it as well.
Right.
And you just have to keep watching us. Just make sure you don't need to speed up or slow down, whatever. Anyway,
I can't. That means I can't do like the close-ups I've been doing because I've got to be in person so I can see the chat.
You do have a resigned pilot and a resigned ground crew.
Yeah, hang on. Who wants to do the commentary?
I will if you want.
Or Smithy, do you want to do it?
Well, I don't have any of the script. I can do it on the spot if you want me to.
No, I'll DM you the script. It
Go
just
on
depends
then.
if you
Send it.
depends if you want to do it. Sure.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Here you go. Just make sure you don't need to make sure you don't need to speed up or slow down saying it. Just say it whatever speed is needed.
Yeah.
Looking at where we are. Yo, Spaghetti, where you going, man? Wait for me.
Right, I'm getting in the.
I'm gonna altitude hold.
I'm getting in the
Dude, you better slow down.
Going to hold my altitude freeze up here. So you can
Oh, and Smithy, by the way, where it says that it's being flown by me, just say it's being flown by me and Spaghetti in a formation rather than just me. Okay. So yeah, just replace that bit with formation.
Wait.
Sorry, but
So
you've put. It's either you've messed up the spelling, or it's an unknown word. But it's Third line, last word.
Third line, last word.
That's a real word.
What? What do you mean? Third line, last word. Oh my god! I see what you mean. Just
What?
just forget the W on the end, and then it'll be fine.
Oh,
Oh.
you guys. I have the updated version. It's all correct. I'm gonna come down to you, Barnes.
Because if you want, guys,
Careful
when you
buildings.
need, if you're gonna do another formation, I'll do it if you want, because I could take a try.
No, it's fine.
No, it's-
Smithy's doing it.
Right.
You can carry on with your stuff.
Close-ups.
Oh,
Barnes cleared, by the way. Yeah, okay.
I'm at 100.
Let's do.
I'll slow down to 80. I'll
Oh,
slow it down
okay,
to
nice.
80.
Do you know what I feel like right now?
Yeah.
One of those like specialized
piece
like
of
camera
crap.
people.
So Spaghetti, if you go like 70, I'll just try and keep up with you. And then what we'll do is just before we get to halfway over the runway, we'll try and be at 100% like halfway over the runway. So like at the start of the runway, just start going up to 100%.
For the reason.
We don't want to be going too slow over, but yeah, I'm sure you know why I'm saying that.
Yeah, I do.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
I'm alive now.
Oh, you're alive. Nice.
Live? Question mark?
Will's actually alive.
Oh, if Will wants to do commentary, he can take over.
Will, do you want to do commentary?
Sure.
Okay, Smithy,
I'll just send it over.
Yeah, send him the thing. Just correct that weird word for him, so it doesn't confuse him as well.
I mean, I've got dyslexia, so
Oh, poo.
would be an idea if I
Okay.
just right-clicked and send message. Message.
Okay, I'm gonna go down to 60. No, I'm gonna stay at 70. So if you go down to like 65, 60, I'll just try and keep up with you.
Are you guys coming from the right?
I think we should do like. We have to turn
Yeah.
right.
Right.
Or you see turn. You like brake left and I brake right,
Sure.
and I'm just behind you. A single file line, I guess you could say. But
Yeah, sure. If you go behind
realized.
me, just a little bit above, that'll be fine. I'll say when I'm going up to 100. Yeah. So if you just get behind me, I'm at 80% by the way. So if you just sort of keep adjusting your speed to sort of stick with that.
Yeah, I'll be right behind
Okay,
you.
Will.
And you brake.
Will, it might be a good idea to start now and read it pretty quickly.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we have our last most liked aircraft with its iconic delta wing design and howl, and a max speed of 320 knots, being operated by the Royal Air Force from 1956 to 1984 during the Cold War, being flown by Wing Commander and I fluffed it, but you know it's the Vulcan, isn't it?
Yeah. Love it.
Fun fact to go with that.
Just like, I fluffed it up. It's the Vulcan in it. Love it.
Extra
it's the
fun fact to
Vulcan.
go with that. It took part in the longest ever recorded bombing mission during the Falklands War.
Yes.
Right, that's my shots done.